So it doesn't take whenever you're doing your final heat up. Welcome back to Albright Metalworks. Today we're fabricating a Vise table with hammer and tong rack. I started filming with a cheap Amazon camera and the video and audio quality was terrible, so the first bit of the fabricating was left out. This total project took just a little over an hour, so let's get to it. Camera, and it's kind of horrible, so just going to look over this. Just gave it a quick flat disc on there to knock off any slag that's stuck. Got that all done. Now I've got this clamped up. This is the little arm I was talking about. Focus. So I did that. Made sure it was square. And I'm going to weld in right up in here and on the opposite side, and then try to get some bead on the top and then a full bead across the bottom. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Don't forget to ground. Welding. That part. Now I have to do some more underneath. Into that. Since I got this all done, I'm going to take that off there. Clamp there. Make sure it's still in frame. Welding. Darn it. I forgot to turn my setting back up to thicker metal. the flat disc that off right there. Well, we're going to be doing some punch tubes along the side, and then a hammer and tong rack across the back. And I also need to do a support leg down in the main post. I'm going to get that stuff prepped and then I will do that with you in a minute. Got a mark in the center. So pretty much bent in the center, just slightly off. There's got to be support legs down here that weld off to this. And just by eyeball, I got that pretty darn close. So I need to set this down, get the vise tipped to where I can get a good angle on it for welding, and then we'll get after the welding. There we go. Now we're on to the next part. I gotta do a little more prep and then I'll be back with you. Okay, I got a 36-inch piece of 3/8 round stock. I'm gonna be welding on here and then taking it over to the torch. We're going to do controlled bends to make the hammer and tong rack. So I got to get this welded on and then I'll stop the video and we'll move over to do the bend. That's it other than paint. A little bit of brushing. All done. That's simple hammer and tong rack on the shelf. And if you look, I've made another one freestanding. Holds 4 hammers and a bunch of tongs. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and hope you'd like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Forge on, my friends.